What is up, YouTube family? It's your boy, it's your nigga, it's your friends. Back yet again with another banger. Hey, you know what I'm saying? We're back again with another one. We're back again with another banger. We're starting to sound like DJ Khaled. Another one, and another one. By the way, if you're new to my channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment for your friends. And if you're a regular on this channel, you already know it's about to go down. Today, we're gonna be reacting to Reese Madisa and Zuma in Team Say Envy. You know what I'm saying? You know about the title. Of course, you know about the title. When they say like that, you know we're going back to the townships with Siyelokshi, my nigga. Siyelokshi. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Dadam Shunwis is on a piano track. I'm about to see. Let's see. What the hell, bro? Let's go. Yeah. It's about to be fire, bro. It's about to get litty. Yeah. Yeah. You know it's not you know it's Mshunisi on the track when you hear that. Able! You know Mshunisi is on the track, is on that freaking track. That's the nigga's signature move. Our signature vocal, I think. Let's go. Oh, okay. I posted the video to compliment the sister with Reese Madisa. Yeah, I think it's Reese. Yeah, she's looking fine as hell, bro. I'd hit that. I don't wanna lie. Look at her, bro. Hey. Yeah. Not my house, though. Not my house, bro. I'm killing you. Hey. Yay. Hey.
How is my shoes? Never soon I know. How much tempo you give a feel? Shoot. I can't let them cancer.
Hey.
I can't let them bamba.
Yeah.
I can't let them take a dead. I can't let them take a rap. I can't let them cancer. Shoot. I can't let them bamba.
Yeah. Whenever the nigga says, "Gonna think bamba," my sister busy pulling the nigga. She's busy touching the nigga. She's proving Uzi there's really something holding back the nigga. You know what I'm saying? Let's go though. I just wanted to get that off my mental, bro. Alright. Let's go. Me like what me seeing, me like what I see, me like it very much, me like it. We love those on this channel. We love those. If you do not love those, there's something wrong with your ass. Then get the fuck out my channel, boy. I'm joking. I'm just kidding. But seriously, we do love those. So whenever we see something like it, we've got to appreciate. You know, and see what's really going on behind the scenes. Let's go. Come dance on my lap, baby. Africa's blessed. I'm saying this now, and I've always said Africa's blessed. Look at that. Hey. Hayi.
khona lento lokhu ikhalisa amaji
Yeah.
khona lento lokhu ihlanyisa my sister khona lento lokhu ikhala kulensi
Khona le.
khona lento lokhu ihlanyisa
Amaji.
khona lento lokhu ikhalisa
Oh my sis. Khona le. Khona le.
khona lento lokhu
Hey.
ikhala kulensi khona lento lokhu ikhalisa amaji
Hey.
khona lento lokhu ihlanyisa my sister
Enamakanda amabili. Hey.
akhona lento lokhu ikhala kulensi
Yeah.
akhona lento lokhu ikhalisa amaji
Yeah.
akhona lento lokhu ihlanyisa my sister
Urismadisa.
akhona lento ngitshela ukhalelani noma ukhala ngani ukhala ngamarodo noma amagundane uthi njadile ngapha superstar ukhala ngani hawu ngitshela ukhalelani noma ukhala ngani ukhala ngamarodo noma amagundane uthi njadile ngapha superstar ukhala ngani
Ukhala ngani?
hawu ngitshela ukhala ngani ngamarodo noma amagundane unjadile no pastor 99 ngitshela ukhala ngani
Bang is it.
Isa benozuma
Hey. Hey.
benongamadala
Hey.
unjadile
Hey.
into balumayo
Hey. Get it, girl. Hey.
asambe ngomshini
Hey. 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 Yeah. Hey. 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 It's the attire for me, bro. It's Zuma's attire, my nigga. Hey. 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 Let's go. Let's go. Hey. Hey. Fortune Films. Oh well. It appears we've yet completed reacting to this one, y'all. I was really much enjoying this one, I don't want to lie. It was my first time seeing it and I really much liked it. I really much liked it. Yeah. It's been your boy, it's been your nigga. If you really much enjoyed this reaction, make sure you leave a thumbs up and a comment of what you'd like to see me react to next on this channel, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Whew. This was pure fire. I don't wanna lie. This was pure fire. I don't know why these niggas released this song late like this. Cause I've been getting it maybe with top 10. Cause it's dope. It's pretty dope, bro. I don't wanna lie. Yeah, it's been your one and only. It's been your Prince, aka MK, aka the real freaking number Prince in the building. Catch you on the next video. Peace.